Muna mun bráðum ríkja nótt. Held ég í flýti heim til mín. Hátt uppi fullur máni skín. Held ég í flýti heim.
And the Emmy goes to Culture Quest Ukraine.
I hope you get a chance to watch it. It's really an inspiring show. They are inspiring people. There's a fourth and fifth person on this nomination, and they're in Ukraine. Not Shevchenko and Alessia Ostrovska-Lyuta, and they're not here because the war goes on. Keep Ukraine in your hearts, please. So this is a total childhood dream of mine, growing up in Duluth. Always wanted to go up on the lift bridge with the big boat coming through. It's happening right now. Get to go blow the horn. Yes! Come on! Oh. There we go! Oh my goodness! Childhood dream fulfilled.
So clap your hands.
The times we have